We believe that everyone deserves financial freedom and the ability to live life on their own terms. That's why we want to help you learn how you can make money on YouTube using AI and to potentially make a few $100s per day as an initial target. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After you have watched this video, click the link at the top of the description below to take you to Matt's free training. Imagine producing high-quality videos without ever showing your face or even using your voice. The benefits are immense. You can maintain your privacy, save time, and focus on what truly matters, using AI to create engaging content that resonates with your audience and makes you money. Hi friends, my name is Michael. Have you ever seen someone with lots of money, without a partner? Welcome to this dissertation on the Tube AI system, how I can help you with faceless AI YouTube channels. This is going to be a straight-to-the-point introduction to information that shows you exactly what to do to make money on YouTube without making videos using AI. In this video, we'll explore how leveraging artificial intelligence can revolutionize your content creation process while keeping your identity under wraps. Introduction: How to make money on YouTube with AI, a beginner's guide. This video aligns perfectly with the channel's focus on AI and making money online, offering a step-by-step guide for beginners, which can attract a wide audience looking to leverage AI for passive income. Introduction: Welcome to our guide on making money on YouTube with the help of AI. AI technology has revolutionized various industries, and YouTube is no exception. By leveraging AI tools and techniques, creators can streamline their content creation process, optimize their videos for better visibility, and ultimately increase their earning potential on the platform. One of the key benefits of using AI on YouTube is the potential for passive income. Understanding AI for YouTube: When it comes to YouTube, AI can be a powerful tool for content creators to optimize their videos, engage with their audience, and ultimately monetize their channel more effectively. There are several AI tools and techniques that content creators can leverage to enhance their YouTube presence and increase their earning potential. One common application of AI on YouTube is through video analytics tools that analyze viewer behavior, engagement metrics, and trends to help creators understand what content resonates with their audience and how to improve their videos for better performance. In the context of making money online, using AI on YouTube offers several advantages. By leveraging AI algorithms to recommend relevant videos to users, creators can increase viewer engagement and retention, ultimately leading to higher ad revenue and sponsorship opportunities. It's good that you dropped by. AI can also help creators optimize their video titles, descriptions, and tags for better search visibility, making it easier for new viewers to discover their content and grow their audience. By embracing AI tools and techniques, creators can enhance the quality of their content, attract a larger audience, and ultimately turn their passion for creating videos into a sustainable source of income. Creating AI-driven content: Are you ready to take your YouTube content creation to the next level with the power of AI? In this section, we'll guide you through the process of creating AI-driven content that is not only engaging but also monetizable. By incorporating AI tools into your content creation process, you can optimize your videos for better performance, attract a larger audience, and increase your earning potential on YouTube. Step 1. Utilize AI editing tools. Start by exploring AI-powered editing tools that can help streamline your video production process. Step 2. Optimize your video titles and descriptions. Additionally, AI analytics tools can help you track the performance of your videos and identify areas for improvement to enhance audience engagement and retention. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After you have watched this video, click the link at the top of the description below to take you to Matt's free training. Whether it's using AI-generated thumbnails, incorporating voice recognition technology, or exploring AI-driven content recommendations, the possibilities are endless. In conclusion, creating AI-driven content for YouTube is a dynamic and exciting process that offers endless opportunities for growth and success. By following these step-by-step instructions, optimizing your content for engagement and monetization, and embracing experimentation and creativity, you can harness the power of AI to elevate your YouTube channel to new heights. Start exploring the world of AI-driven content creation today and watch your channel thrive. Monetizing AI-generated content. So, you've created engaging AI-driven content on YouTube. Now it's time to explore the various ways in which you can monetize your videos and turn your passion into a sustainable income stream. In this section, we'll delve into the different monetization options available on YouTube and how AI-generated content can play a key role in maximizing your revenue potential. Ad revenue. AI-generated content can help optimize your videos for better ad placement and viewer engagement, ultimately increasing your ad revenue potential. By focusing on creating high-quality, engaging content that resonates with your audience, you can attract more advertisers and increase your earning potential over time. AI-generated content can help you identify potential sponsors and collaborators by analyzing audience demographics, engagement metrics, and content performance. It's good that you are still with us. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another effective way to monetize your AI-generated content on YouTube. In conclusion, monetizing AI-generated content on YouTube offers a wide range of opportunities for content creators to generate income and build a sustainable career in the digital space. By leveraging ad revenue, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and other monetization options, you can diversify your revenue streams, maximize your earning potential, and create a successful and profitable YouTube channel. Remember to focus on creating valuable, engaging content that resonates with your audience, and explore strategic partnerships and collaborations to unlock new monetization opportunities. With dedication, creativity, and a strategic approach, you can build a thriving income stream from your AI-generated content on YouTube. Engaging with the YouTube community. Building a successful YouTube channel goes beyond just creating great content. It also involves fostering a strong sense of community and engaging with your audience in meaningful ways. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After you have watched this video, click the link at the top of the description below to take you to Matt's free training. For AI-driven channels on YouTube, community engagement plays a crucial role in building a loyal following, increasing viewer retention, and ultimately growing your channel's success. In this section, we'll explore the importance of community engagement and audience interaction for AI-driven channels and share strategies for creating a vibrant and interactive community on YouTube. Strategies for building a loyal audience. Feedback and analytics play a crucial role in refining your AI-generated content to better resonate with your audience. By analyzing viewer engagement metrics, audience demographics, and content performance data, you can gain valuable insights into what content is working well and what areas can be improved. Active community participation. Create opportunities for viewers to engage with each other, participate in discussions, and share their own content related to your channel's niche. In conclusion, engaging with the YouTube community is essential for the success of AI-driven channels on the platform. By leveraging AI technology, content creators have the opportunity to unlock new possibilities for generating income, creating engaging content, and building a loyal audience on YouTube. Throughout this video, we've highlighted the benefits of using AI for making money on YouTube, including the potential for passive income, increased viewer engagement, and optimized content creation processes. By incorporating AI tools and techniques into your content creation strategy, you can streamline your workflow, attract a larger audience, and maximize your earning potential on the platform. We encourage you to explore more AI-related content on our channel and website to continue learning and growing in your journey as a content creator. From AI editing tools to audience analytics, there are endless opportunities to enhance your content and drive success on YouTube with the power of AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more insights on faceless AI channels and content creation strategies. Your likes and shares help us reach more aspiring creators like you. Join our community, and let's embark on this exciting journey together. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Several key factors contribute to a video going viral on YouTube, and understanding these elements can significantly enhance a creator's chances of success. Properly optimizing metadata is essential for video discoverability, as it helps the YouTube algorithm categorize content and recommend it to potential viewers. A well-crafted title and engaging description can entice users to click, while relevant tags ensure the video appears in related searches. Matt's free training and YouTube Mastery and Monetization program can help you to get paid over and over again for work that you did once. Have you ever seen someone with money, without a partner?